Good Thursday morning to you, Northland. We're waking up to some rain here at the Twin Ports and foggy skies across the Northland. As temperatures right now, we're sitting at 65 degrees here with that rain coming down pretty heavy at times. I can hear it up on the roof right now. Wild weather the last few 24 hours. So 64 degrees right now at Sky Harbor down at Park Point, 68 degrees at Duluth International up the hill. And as we take a look up the North Shore into those low to mid 60s, 66 on the Arrowhead, 68 at Cook, and 65 degrees on the Iron Range. Down along the South Shore, 72 into the Bayfield Peninsula, 73 at Ashland, all the way to Ironwood, and a little bit cooler at Superior at 62 this morning. So it's a comfortable morning. Winds are at about 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the southwest, keeping things a little more comfortable out there. But visibility reduced to a half mile up the North Shore, and we're also looking at that on the Iron Range as well, where our dew points are pretty much matching our temperatures, aren't they? So that's why we're getting the fog out there, as we're in those upper 60s to low 70 dew point today. And when the sun comes out, it's going to feel hot and sticky out there. So right now, there's that rain. It's about coming to an end here at the Twin Ports, rolling up the North Shore. Some heavier storms pushing into Ashland and the Bayfield Peninsula and into Ashland County there as we go through the rest of this morning. We'll stay mostly cloudy behind that system, but hot and humid. Notice these are the storms. This is what the tornado formed off of into northern Minnesota last night. Dropped 3.5 inches of rainfall. Now we're in that hot, humid, warm sector, and this cold front's about to slam into it as we go through the day today. So we're not out of the clear for severe weather just yet. We're in a marginal risk now today, a little bit less severe because that slight risk has moved down to south central Wisconsin on the other side of that warm front. So here we are in the morning, cloudy skies, sunshine between 1 and 4. It's going to get hot and humid. Then more showers and storms pop up after 4 o'clock, some of which could be severe. And the main risks we're looking at is, of course, large hail and then damaging wind gusts, especially with that rain all the way in the ground. It's easier to push over trees with the saturated soil. So today we'll reach high temperatures into those low 80s into northern Minnesota, mid 80s down across the lake and into Wisconsin, but it's going to feel like the 90s with that dew point. So a hot one, stay hydrated. And of course, winds today picking up out of the southwest up to 20 miles per hour. Then tonight we get on the other side of the cold front, the calmer side. So we'll start to see the showers and storms come to an end around midnight. Partly cloudy skies, temperatures falling to the upper 50s on the Iron Range, mid 60s here for the rest of us. For our Friday, we'll start off cloudy. A low pressure in front still remain in the area, so we'll see showers and storms popping up in the evening. And then, of course, a marginal risk for severe weather from the Twin Ports and down along the South Shore into northwest Wisconsin. Humidity stays high through tomorrow. Then as we head into the weekend, it starts to drop on off there. Temperatures get much more comfortable, and actually the atmosphere gets a little more stable as we head into next week, where we do have that chance for mostly sunny skies. So I did ask you guys a weather trivia question today, and that's basically what is not true about flash floods. Brett, what did you think the answer was?
I was thinking A, but I'm going with E.
Gonna go with E. You're
Yeah.
joining the crowd, aren't you there?
The flood damage covered by insurance.
It's right, but I forgot to extend my slide, but it is E. It is E. So
We'll have the slide at the end of the show.
Yeah, exactly.
To give everyone the satisfaction.
90% of you got it right, but that's probably because you might have had some flood issues and realized it wasn't covered.
Right?
So
maybe some past experiences.
Yeah.
All right.